Once upon a time, in the magical land of Draconir, there lived a little dragon named Ember. Ember was not like the other dragons in Draconir. Instead of breathing fire and causing mischief, Ember had a heart filled with kindness. One sunny day, Ember was playing near the dragon grove when he heard a faint cry for help. Following the sound, he discovered a small village of woodland creatures in distress. The creatures were upset because their homes were damaged by a storm, and they didn't know how to rebuild. Ember fluttered his wings and landed gently in the midst of the worried creatures. With a warm smile, he offered his help. "Hello, my friends. I'm Ember, the little dragon. How can I assist you today?" The woodland creatures were astonished to meet a dragon who wasn't scary but rather kind. They explained their situation to Ember, and without hesitation, Ember decided to help them rebuild their homes. With a flick of his tail and a gentle puff of his breath, Ember gathered materials like twigs, leaves, and flowers. He skillfully crafted new homes for each creature, creating cozy nests and burrows. The woodland creatures watched in amazement as Ember's kind actions transformed their village into an even more beautiful and harmonious place. As Ember worked tirelessly, word spread throughout Draconir about the little dragon with a heart of gold. Soon, other dragons came to see Ember's efforts. They were inspired by his kindness and decided to join him in helping the creatures of the land. Together, the dragons and woodland creatures created a stronger, more vibrant community. Ember's act of kindness had not only rebuilt the village but had also brought dragons and creatures together in friendship. From that day forward, Ember became a symbol of kindness and cooperation in Draconir. The little dragon taught everyone that even the smallest acts of kindness could create a world of beauty and joy. And so, in the magical land of Draconir, where dragons soared through the skies and woodland creatures roamed the enchanted forests, Ember's legacy lived on as a reminder that kindness could make a world of difference.